Hi, welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on Dubai Bling. Stay tuned, don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. So the way I'm going to be doing this review is I'm going to be comparing the people in the show to handbags, because I thought we'd have a little bit of fun with it. Everybody is talking about Dubai Bling at the moment. We've done some amazing videos, related to the show, and I just wanted to get this done. So without further ado, let's go. So the first person that I wanted to compare to a handbag was Lojain, and she is very classy, very elegant, and definitely one of a kind. I think that she is an absolutely lovely person. She comes across so warm and caring, and for her uniqueness and how classy she is, I would compare Lojain to an Hermès Kelly Himalayan. Very hard to get hold of, very luxurious, and definitely one of a kind. So the next person is LJ, the other Lojain, and she's young, she's vibrant, she's had some tragedy in her life, but she's a real Barbie doll. So because she comes across like that, but she is quite smart, she's got a little bit of something about her, I would compare LJ to a Kelly 25 in Mauve Sylvestre. Very cute, very pink, very girly, and that's exactly how I view LJ. So the next person on our review list is Zeina, and she is tall of stature, she's very strong, she works very hard to provide for her family, and she's made a lot of sacrifices, but she's very classy, and I think she's elegant as well, and I think she's a timeless classic. So for that reason, we all decided and agreed here at Love Luxury that Zeina is a Kelly 28 Epsom black with gold hardware. And next up, we have the very sassy Safa. Now, Safa may come as a small package, but you definitely know she's around. She's definitely got a very vibrant personality, and she packs a punch. She doesn't hold her punches. She's also a very loyal friend to Zeina, and for that, I have to give her massive props. We compared Safa to an Hermes Mini Kelly 2 in Rose Azalee and Cray, and this is a special order. We do feel like she's a bit of a little Miss Sassy Pants, but she is vibrant, she's fun, and she's very loyal. Next up is Farhana, and she is very much in the press, she's in your face, everything's very loud and bright and bubbly and there to be seen. So for Farhana, we decided that the Lady Dior art bag by Judy Chicago was the perfect representation for her. Next up, we have Brianna, Kris Fade's better half. She's an understated character in the show. I think that if they do the show again, I think she's going to come through a little bit more. So to represent Brianna, we have a Chanel medium classic flap in a beautiful royal blue with chevrons. Something that's classy and elegant, but a little bit different and quite bright. And I think that that really represents her. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. So last up for the ladies on Dubai Bling, we have Danya, and she didn't come across as well as she may have wanted to, unfortunately, on the show. And for that reason and that reason only, we compared her to a Chanel small classic flat black caviar with the very limited black lining. So we've done all the women in the show. Let's move on to the men, and the first up is Kris Fade. Now, he came to Dubai from Australia to be a radio DJ, and he fulfilled his dreams. He's very loud, he's very wacky, and for that reason we thought that the LV Supreme backpack in red epi leather was a perfect representation of him. It's very loud, it's in your face, and it carries a lot of baggage. Next up is DJ Bliss. Now, he was the complete peacekeeper of the whole show. He really wanted everyone to get along and just to be harmonious. And for that reason, we really struggled to find a bag that would kind of suit his personality. So I came up with the LV Prism Keepall. It kind of looks angelic, and I feel like he's trying to be a really good person. So for that reason, that's why we've given him the Louis Vuitton LV Prism bag. Safa's husband, Fahad, is number 3 on our list of guys today to review from Dubai Bling. And I think that he is a very understanding, very patient guy, long-suffering guy. He takes a lot from his missus. And for that reason, I am going to award him with the comparison of the Hermès Hac. And the reason for that is so that he can carry all of that cash to buy her a new house when she said, put the cash down as a deposit, Fahad. So he can carry all that cash to buy her a new house. Zeina's husband, Hanna, is next on the list, and we really loved him here at Love Luxury. All of us said what a stand-up gentleman he was. He was so reassuring to his wife, and he was just such a lovely character. And for that reason, we have awarded him the Hermes Kelly Depeche 25. It's classy, it's chic, and we feel like it really suits him. So the next person wasn't really featured very much on the series, and that is Lojain's little brother, Mazen. Now, he's a bit of a cheeky chappy. I feel like he was trying to pull the wool over his sister's eyes more than once during the show. He was really trying it. Typical younger brother. For that reason, we've given him the Dior men's crossbody saddlebag because he doesn't have to carry very much of his own. Okay, now last but by no means least, the very effervescent, loud, in-your-face character that was Ebraheem. Now, I have chosen a bag, or we all chose a bag. Everybody here at Love Luxury said the same, and it will be for obvious reasons when you see the picture up here, and that is the Hermes Birkin 35 Sunset. Thank you so much for joining us to do our silly little comparison video. Just a little bit of fun. We absolutely loved the series of Dubai Bling here at Love Luxury. We're all talking about it. It's all over the internet, and we do hope that you enjoyed it and found our little bag comparisons funny. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment.